Hi everyone! Join me today for a full body practice that will work on your flexibility and balance. Stand up straight and relax your whole body. Begin your practice by warming up your hands, focusing on the center of your palm. Then place the right hand on your chest, the other on your navel. Circle around to create a sense of warmth in your chest and in your abdomen. Change hands and repeat. Then go ahead and massage your lower back and the kidney area. This helps to stimulate the key point for energy and vitality and improve circulation to the area. Relax your hands for a moment. Then take a deep breath in through the nose, come up on your toes. Exhale out the mouth and relax fully. Repeat 4 more times. Keep your breath full yet gentle. Allow your chest and your rib cage expand as you lift the hands overhead. Then exhale fully, relaxing and softening. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Next, place both hands just below the navel. Take a deep breath into your abdomen. Exhale fully and relax. Breathe in. Allow your belly to expand into your hands. Breathe out. Pull the belly in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Be mindful here to not move your lower back on the inhale. Relax your chest, allowing your breath to sink down into your abdomen. Breathe in and breathe out. From here, slowly rotate your hips. Keep your lower back as relaxed as possible, focusing primarily on the hip area. Be mindful of your mobility range. Create a circle that you can do without feeling pain or discomfort, and as you practice regularly, your mobility will improve. Change the direction. This exercise is good for opening the energy channels that run over the hips and improve circulation up and down the body. Slowly return to center. Take a moment to relax your lower back and soften your hips. Then begin a spinal wave movement. The key here is to gently massage the muscle of the back and improve circulation up and down the spine. Relax your body and see if you can feel the movement traveling from your feet all the way up to your fingertips. Notice if you hold any tension along the way that you can release to allow this wave to travel freely throughout your body. Slow down the movement and take a moment to notice how your body feels. Relax your neck and shoulders. Relax your whole body. Then go ahead and gently shake off your legs. Rub your hands together. The next phase is deep, mindful stretches. So I want you to pay full attention to the sensations inside your body. Raise your hands up and gently press forward, spreading your fingers nice and wide. Release softly, then open the hands to the side. Bend your wrists and press in the opposite directions. Release fully and slowly go up. Turn the palms and gently press out. Come up on your toes. Release the position. Allow the muscles to relax fully. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Then go ahead and repeat one more time. The arms and chest stretches help to stimulate the meridians, then run along the hands and tonify the heart and lungs. Relax your hands by the side and take a moment to notice how you feel. The next exercise works on the liver meridian and helps to regulate the smooth flow of blood and energy throughout the body. Place your right hand on your lower back, go across and turn behind, extending your arm out all the way to the back. Be mindful here to keep your spine nice and tall. Return to center as you gently press upwards. Lean to the side, opening through the side of the body. Come back to center. Allow your hand to relax and soften your whole body. Then change hands. Turn to the right. Extending your arm out all the way to the back. Release softly. Allow the muscles to relax fully and press upwards. Then gently lean to the side. Repeat on the other side. Return to center and allow your body to relax fully. Relax both hands down. Then turn your torso to the left. Place your left hand over your ear, right hand on your lower back. Being very gentle, bend forward towards your right knee. Slowly stand up. Turn your torso to the left. Open your chest to the sky. Look up. Then go ahead and repeat. Bend forward towards your right knee. Slowly come up. Turn to the left. Look up. Then go ahead and turn all the way to the back, twisting your torso and your abdomen. Release as you return to center. And change hands. Turn to the right hand on top, left hand on your lower back. Lean forward towards your left knee. Release slowly Turn to the right and open your chest. Then go ahead and bend forward one more time. The degree of your bend depends on your fitness ability, so avoid any straining or pulling. It's better to start small and slowly increase. Then go ahead and turn all the way to the other side, twisting from your legs, your hips, and your abdomen. Release fully and relax your whole body. Take a moment here to soften and notice how your body feels. To work on your balance, we're going to do the crane movement. Bring your feet together. Inhale, raise the hands to shoulder height. Pause to complete your breath. Exhale down. This time, inhale, raise your hands overhead. Exhale down. Repeat the same on the other side. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more round on each side. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep your feet parallel. Relax your whole body. Take a time here to notice what this exercise gave you, how you feel. To close, go ahead and take a nice deep breath in through the nose. Come up on your toes. Exhale down the center. Allow your body to fully relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, gathering the energy around you. Breathe out, allow it to flow down your body, bringing awareness and comfort. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Relax your hands by the side and take a moment here to observe the sensations inside and notice how your body feels. Then go ahead and round your hands and place them on the lower belly. Take a moment to focus on yourself, to fully reflect and observe. Thank you for joining me. I wish you a good day and I'll see you soon.